This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the code and a Flipkart account. Now apply the card. First, check the gift card code for typos and note the balance so you know how much to use. Open the Flipkart app or site and sign in with the exact account you want credited. Once signed in, add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Make sure to keep a backup payment method ready in case the card covers only part of the order. At checkout, navigate to the payment stage and locate the gift card or Flipkart gift card option. Enter the code exactly as printed. Character mistakes cause rejection, then tap Apply. The system will validate and show the updated payable amount. If the card covers full value, you'll see zero due. If partial, Flipkart will prompt additional payment methods. Once applied, review shipping and order summary because gift cards only affect payment, not delivery choices or seller-specific restrictions. Finalize by selecting any remaining payment method and confirm the order. Flipkart will deduct the gift card amount first. After purchase, check your order confirmation and order history to ensure the gift card was applied and note the remaining card balance if shown. If the code fails, don't panic. Verify expiry date, confirm all characters, O versus 0, I versus 1, and ensure the card was activated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.